In this video guys, I'm gonna share with you new Fiverr affiliate service that you can promote on Pinterest if you want to earn commission, okay? This will be specific service, so that's how I made $245 just by promoting Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest, choosing and I do research about specific services that you should promote on Pinterest if you want to earn commission, okay? So let's get started. So for people who are new to Fiverr affiliate and you want to make money with Fiverr affiliate, what you need to do first is you need to go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link over here. Sign up by user email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one, okay? So this will be your Fiverr account. You just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down like this, okay? So just scroll down and keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliates, okay? You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website as you can see, okay? So what you will do is you can check this website, you can scroll down, okay? And you can check to see how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. If you click over here on see commission, you will be directly in this page. As you can see, they are paying up to $150 Fiverr CPA. It's $150. If just one person buy a service from your affiliate link, you can earn up to $150. That's really a lot of money, okay? So to join Fiverr affiliates, you just need to click over here on join now. And you will be directly in this page over here as you can see, and the sign up process is super easy and simple, okay? So you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, account type, make it private. You will answer a few questions over here, scroll down, choose your country, okay? Then choose your language over here. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. It's really easy and simple. It will take just few minutes from your time, okay? So after you finish, this will be your Fiverr affiliate account, okay? You should have an account like this one on Fiverr affiliates, okay? So what you need to do next is you need to go back to your home page, okay? Go back to your Fiverr home page like this. So now I'm gonna share with you specific service that you should promote on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. Click over here on the search and search for Amazon listing, okay? Search for Amazon listing like this. I want you to pay attention in this step, okay? So we will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service, okay? So make sure to choose good sellers. Choose sellers who are in like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, top rated seller. So if people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission, okay? So why I choose Amazon listing? Because a lot of people are using Pinterest to promote their Amazon product, so they will be interested to try this service to get more sales and make more money, okay? That's why they will be interested to use this service, okay? So for example, I'm gonna choose this one. This one is top rated seller. He has a lot of reviews, 5-star. I will click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page as you can see over here. So what you need to do next is you need to copy his profile link. Copy his profile link, then go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here on marketing tools, click on default and deep links and click over here and put this affiliate link here, this seller profile link here. Click over here and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link, okay? So what you will do is you just need to copy this link from here. Now you need to promote this Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest, and I'm gonna show you step by step how we can do it. So let's go to Pinterest. So if you don't have an account on Pinterest, go to Google, search for Pinterest, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and make sure to open business account, not personal account. We need Pinterest business account. Okay, so you just need to click over here on home feed and click on create pin. Okay, like this. So what you will do is you need picture here. So go back to this seller page on Fiverr and upload his picture to your laptop. So I'm gonna upload this, save image, double click and save image, and that's it. It's easy and simple. Okay, I'm gonna name it for example listing and save. Let's go to Pinterest. Go to Pinterest, click over here and upload the picture that you download from Fiverr. Okay, like this. This is your picture. You need to put title, description, and your affiliate link here. So I will put my affiliate link here, like this. So for the title, I will go back to this seller page and I will copy his title. Because I'm just an affiliate, I can use his information. Okay, go to Pinterest, put this title over here, description. Let's go back to this seller page. Go back to this seller page, scroll down. About this gig, this is his description. Okay, so I'm gonna just copy this part, guys, to show you. Like this, go to Pinterest and I will put this description here. Scroll down. You need to create a board. Okay, click over here, and if you don't have one, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and this will be like this. Okay, so I already have those. I'm gonna choose this one. Scroll down, you need to put tag here. Go back to this seller page, scroll down. So just keep scrolling down. You can see over here related. Okay, you see this related tag. So this is his tag. Copy those. Copy. Go to your Pinterest account and put those tag here like this. Okay, and keep adding more tags. So I'm just showing you the method. So that's how we can put those tags here. Okay. Then what you need to do now is you just need to click on publish, and your affiliate link will be published to Pinterest. Okay, it's easy and simple, as you can see, and here you go. This is your picture. As you can see, your affiliate link will be over here, and your affiliate link here, your title, description, and people who are using Pinterest to promote their Amazon products, they will be interested to try this service to boost their sales and get more sales and make more money. So they will be interested to use this service. That's why I choose this one. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.